and welcome to Code Afric. Joseph is here again with you, and we are still ongoing with our web development series. And today we're looking at CSS. All right. So in terms of prerequisites, what we need is HTML fundamentals. All right. So on our previous series, we looked at how the HTML work. We looked at the HTML basic structure, folder structures, and HTML basic templates and how to start coding in HTML. We look at all those basic concepts about HTML. So if you're not watching to have an access to my HTML videos, please quickly do that and do the diligence to that and come back on this tutorial and let's move on together. All right, so we are looking at CSS, and what we need in this series is a text editor and a web browser. Okay, so as we proceed with our HTML section where we use our Sublime text and our Chrome, we are going to do likewise. Okay, in this series we are going to also use our Sublime text and our Chrome as a web browser. All right, so like I explained in the HTML series, our Google Chrome is our mode widely used, and our Sublime text is a beginner friendly, and CSS also we are looking at the beginner section of it, so we are going to still carry on with our Sublime text, all right, as our text editor. All right, just take note of that and let's move on. What is CSS? So CSS is a cascading style sheet, or what you are trying to mean is that CSS is all about what styling your HTML project. All right, as simple as that. So CSS adds styles to your HTML elements, like I said before. So we are building and HTML stepping to do the foundation and the laying of the blocks and all the foundational work that needs to be done. Then CSS will come in and do the painting, decorations, and all what is entailed when styling is being concerned or decoration is being concerned. All right. So CSS describe how the HTML elements are to be displayed on our web page. Yes, the entire UI lies on our HTML. Okay, so when we finish building our project with our HTML, then we step in with our CSS to do all the necessary styling that will make our project outstanding. All right, now CSS can completely control how our web page displayed without changing the HTML, which is perfectly right. Okay, so when we are building a project, after we build the skeleton with HTML, we can step in with the CSS and do the entire display. We can change the entire UI. We can change the entire looking of our project with the magic of CSS. All right, by using what is called the external style sheet. And CSS saves a lot of work. It can control the layout of a multiple web page all at once. All right, like I said, with what external style sheet, you can create external style sheet and you can change the multiple of pages in HTML without touching even the code. All right, just entering into your CSS and do the magic. And this is what we are going to learn throughout the series that we are going to embark on CSS. All right, CSS is awesome. It have to do with the layout, the sections, the controlling, the color system, and the color coding, and all what is entailed when decoration, styling is being concerned. All right. So CSS is going to step in with our HTML project and do the magic and make it what outstanding and bring the beauty side of our project into reality. All right. Now that'll be all for this video. Let's come back on the next video and learn more.